best radio applications out there today, and I will be taking a look at how this application works and we show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. So this is pretty much the home screen of the application. As you can see here, very simple application, nothing hard for you to not understand. Anyways guys, so this is pretty much what I said before. So at the top here you have the top stations that everyone's listening to. As you can see here, scroll down, you can see other stations as well. At the top here you have the search button here. Pretty much can search the station that you want specifically. You don't want these other stations here, or you can tap on the discover option, which will find other stations, overseas stations. You may not have all these stations out there, but you will have the most popular ones and so forth. So you also have the near me option, which will give you stations near your location and so forth. So the popular ones, which is pretty much the top stations here, are Jamaica Radio and some other stations, guys. So if you tap on the local options, here are pretty much the local stations. If you're overseas, stations will be different, so do keep that in mind. And here you have the world station, which is other stations here. And you can also find station by country or search by country. Tap on the search option here. There's some other stations here by different countries. You can search for your country. And let's say you're from Denmark, and tap on the Denmark for an option there, and you can see all the stations within that country. So very great application. So that's pretty much for that there. Genre can find it here as well. Search for your, let's say you want a Christian station, you can search for this option here. Tap on the R icon, you pretty much can see all those stations within this area. So very great application, as I said before, guys. Now we have the podcast option. We can see the podcast as well, not just stations, podcast. So you can pretty much search at the search option here, or you can pretty much tap on the podcast option here. So let's say you want to listen to a station, and let's say you find a station. Let me just tap on the international one, the top station. So the top station right now is Jamaica Radio. I'm not tap on Jamaica Radio. So to make sure you have a good internet connection, because if you don't have good internet connection, it will not work. But once you have a good internet connection, you're good to go. So this is Jamaica Radio. Here you can press on the play.
They are aware.
And it will start playing. Do keep in mind, you will encounter ads, guys. Just encounter 2 ads. But yeah, so just select the station that you want. Let's say I've already selected this one. It will show down here that you have selected it. And if you want to begin it up a bit, you can just tap on it down here. And as you can see here, it's a much more bigger. So I'm mostly locked into this station here. You can also see the time and everything. So down here you have the notification option here. Let's say you have a big update, you can enable that notification feature there. You have the favorite, it will be added to your favorite list. So all the favorite channels, favorite stations you love, you can add it to your favorite list. And you have the share option, you can share with your friends and family. So down here you have the volume rocker. You can either use your volume rocker to bring up the song, or you use this one here to adjust it. Either one works. So that's pretty much it. And if you want to come off, you pretty much tap on the X icon there, and you're pretty much good to go. So down here you can find the favorite section. I just tap on the favorite section down here. And at the top here you may see your favorites and also your recently listened stations. Very good application. And you can adjust the block size by tapping on this here. Pretty much adjust it like this. Let's say you want it like this, or you want it like this, however you want to set it up. So in the settings option now, you can scroll down and you can see all different settings as it relates to the clock and so forth. Not too much. But for the pro feature now, we can get rid of these ads, which is not that annoying, but sometimes can be. You can just go down, go to the settings option, and then search for the pro version. Tap on pro version here, and here you see the pro version price. So it is a one-time payment. You don't have to pay anything more, which as you can see is only $4. Let's say $5. So you won't get any ads, nothing at all, and you're good to go. No ads, nothing at all. So as you can see there, it's good price. So no ads and some music boost, and that's it. But yeah, so that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you guys. If you love it, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next one.